the fuck kind of sound was that? Do you know where you're going? A fucking car set! I should have never said I was I said I want to know what I'm saying. I said I'm still coming down. You're addicted to that. You're addicted to that. You really gonna wait till this get closed? Because you don't want me to come through. Motherfucker, I work here. It's really not that serious, bro. It's really not that serious. Oh, well, you know it's not gonna close. It's fucking annoying. Is there really a need for that? Is there really a need for that? It's making me late and shit. It's 5 o'clock already.
Stop. 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 Jesus Christ.
Slow down, stop the car, stop the car, stop the car.
I was just about...
Stop. 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 Keep going, keep going, keep going, keep going, keep going. No, it's not.
I thought it was.
It's not a red light. I'm not going to ask you to do that again. Drive off when you're ready.
When the day passed this time then.
Stop. Thank you. Stop. Oh, thank you. Drive off when you're ready. A little bit because he's being silly.
Yeah, what was that about?
He shouldn't have done that, but it's okay. We deal with it. Stop. Brake and. Stop. Brake and. Clutch. Really nice stop. Stop. Thank you.
Oh shit.
You better get in that f***ing lane, because I'm about to get the f*** out of the car in a second, whoop your ass. Hey, what the f*** was that for? Now, how about you f***ing drive like you got some sense? I'm not scared of you. I don't give a f***. You don't look like I give a f***. Did I do something to you? Did I do something to you? What did I do? Alright, United Plumbing, great. Guess what? My aunt works for you. I'll make sure they know. 47 YLJ.
This truck might be on fire. We got a bunch of smoke coming out of it.
Oh, God.